Imagine controlling the colors of your LED light from your phone or laptop. No remote, no wires, just Wi-Fi magic. Today, I'll show you how to control an RGB LED using the ESP8266 NodeMCU with a built-in WebServer. You'll be able to change colors in real time right from your browser. Look at this, with a single tap on my phone, the LED switches from red to green to blue or even custom colors. Here's how it works. 1. Connect the RGB LED to your NodeMCU. 2. Upload the Arduino code that hosts a WebServer. 3. Open the IP address on your Wi-Fi network, and boom, you have a color control panel. This project is perfect for beginners in IoT and smart home automation. If you want the full code and circuit diagram, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech projects.